This is the There's a Man in the Habit of Hitting Me on the Head with an Umbrella digital story by Charlotte Palmer,
Mingyi Wu,
and Wei Li.
Once upon a time, 5 years ago, there lived a man who had the misfortune of being whacked on the head by an umbrella every second or so. At first, annoyance and embarrassment was all he felt. After all, constant tapping on the temples is not something that most people would appreciate.
To the narrator and most people on Earth, change is something to be feared, but throughout the story, he accepts the fact that change is inevitable. The narrator's immediate reactions to the change in his life were hostile, thoughts of violence crossing his mind. Hence, he resorted to violence and punched the man in the nose.
Change opens up the future into something foreign and frightening. Being a member of the human race, the narrator is afraid of the change that he experiences when he is first tapped on the head. Over the course of 5 years, he slowly adjusts to the change because there is nowhere to hide from it.
By the end of the story, the change that he had originally feared has morphed into something that he relies on to sleep at night. He knows that the future is not always predictable, and he fears that one day the fog will cover him once more. He dreads the day when the man with the umbrella will leave him, making his future uncertain.
Another change that the man with the umbrella imposes upon the narrator is the views of others. While the narrator walks the streets of San Francisco, followed by the man with the umbrella, bystanders constantly ridicule him. The man with the umbrella prevents him from conforming to society like he did before.
At first, the narrator is tense and unnerved by having a spotlight on him for the first time in his life. However, after some time, he realizes that the tapping is in fact helping him find himself, and that without it, he would lose an essential part of his soul to the shadows of conformity.
The story ends with the narrator's realization that he cannot live without the man with the umbrella.
The man with the umbrella provides him with a sense of protection from the unknown and a shield from conformity.
When the man with the umbrella leaves their narrator, as is predestined, the narrator fears that he will be left with uncertainty in the face of society. In a sense, the taps of the umbrella are essential for human survival.